Welcome on my YouTube channel, My IT Solution. Today our topic, our assignment, our project is Exp22 Excel Chapter 2 ML2 Vacation Property. So I firstly highlighted. So I am professional. I have completed this complete course for many of my students and they got a plus marks in this assignment or project. If you want to do this assignment for you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. So we go on our assignment. So our assignment name is Exp2022 Excel Chapter 2 ML2 Vacation Property. So we go on our project description. So you can read project description for your information, so you can easily solve the assignment by reading it. So our important part of the assignment is these steps. This assignment consists of 13 steps. So I can solve the 13 steps step by step. So our first step is start Excel, download and open the file name exp2022 Excel Chapter 2 ML2 Vacation Property. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So we go on our Excel worksheet. So I have already downloaded the Exp2022 Excel Chapter 2 ML2 Vacation Property. So we go on our step number 2. Our step number 2 is write if function in cell D9 that calculates the down payment for the mortgage. The down payment is 15% of the purchase price. If the customer is considered high risk of 5% of the purchase price, if considered low risk, the criteria to assess the risk of the loan is based on the credit score value in cell P6. Be sure to use the appropriate absolute or mixed cell reference when referring the input value in the range B4 to B6. Then use the fail handle to copy the formula down, stopping in cell D28. So in the second step it is saying that insert if function in cell D9. So we go on our Excel worksheet. So in D9 we find down payment for this project. So put is equal to and if function. So click here to insert value. So logic test value is C9 is smaller than B6. So and value if true is B4 multiply by B9 and value if false is B5 multiply by B9. So in this step it is also saying that be sure to use the I firstly highlighted so you can understand. Be sure to use appropriate absolute or mixed cell reference for this we insert dollar sign for each key value, put dollar sign for absolute cell reference. So click OK. So here is the result that we need down payment in this step. So it is also saying that then use the fill handle to copy the formula down, stopping in cell D28. So copy the formula and on D28. So here is the result that we need in this step for down payment. So I have completed the 2 step of this assignment. So our third step is enter a formula to calculate the percent financed in cell E9. The percent finance is amount financed divided by purchased price. Next, use the fill handle to copy the formula down, stopping cell E28. So in this step we enter a formula to calculate the percent finance in cell E9. So we go on our Excel worksheet and E9 we enter is equal to and B9 minus subtract by D9 and divided by B9. Press enter. So here is the percentage finance that is required. So it is also saying that next use the fill handle to copy the formula down, stopping cell E28. So copy the formula and on the E28. So here is the result that we need in this step. So we go on our step number. I have completed the 3 step of this assignment. So we go our step number 4. So in this step it is saying that enter a formula in cell F9 to calculate the amount finance. The amount finance is purchase price minus down payment. After entering the formula, use the fill handle to copy the formula down, stopping in cell F28. So in this step we enter a formula in F9 to calculate the amount financed. So we go on our Excel worksheet and in cell F9 we enter a formula. It is saying that purchase price minus down payment. So our purchase price is B9 and our down payment is D9. So press enter and here is the amount finance value that's required in this step. So it is also saying that use the fill handle to copy the formula down, stopping in cell F28. So we copy the formula and on the F28. So here is the values that we required in this step for amount finance. So we completed 4th step of this assignment. This assignment consists of 12 step. So I have completed 4th step of this assignment. So our step number 5 is use the lookup function in cell G9 to look up the mortgage rate based on the customer credit score and the data in the range D4 to E6. Be sure to use appropriate absolute or mixed cell reference. Use the fill handle to copy the formula down, stopping in cell G28. So in this step we insert lookup function in G9. So we go on our Excel worksheet, and in cell G9 on the formulas bar and lookup and cell reference. So here is the lookup function that's required. So lookup value is, it is saying that lookup mortgage rate. So lookup value is C9 and the table array is, it is also given in the D4 to E6. So D4 so D4 to E6. Here is the table array and the code index number is, so here is the second column, so we put 2, and it is also saying in the step that be sure to use the appropriate absolute or mixed cell reference. So as you know that for cell reference we enter $, for cell reference I put $, for this. So click OK. So here is the mortgage rate that's required in this step. So it is also saying that use the fill handle to copy the formula down, stopping in cell G28. So copy the formula and paste it and end on the G28. So here is the result that we required. Here is the values that we required in this step. So we go on we completed the step number 5. So we go on the step number 6. So our step number 6 is calculate the rate per period in cell H9. All the mortgage being financed will be paid monthly. After completing the formula, use the fill handle to copy the formula down, stopping in cell H28. So in this step we calculate the formula in H9. So we go on our Excel worksheet, and in cell H9 we enter a formula to calculate the rate per period. So for this we need mortgage rate divided by 12. So press enter, and in this step it is also saying that use the fill handle to copy the formula down, stopping in cell H28. So copy the formula and end on the H28. So here is the value that required for rate per period. So I have completed the 6th step of this assignment, and this assignment consists of 12 steps. So we go on our step number 7. Our step number 7 is Calculate the total number of the payment period in cell J9 based on the year financed in cell I9. After completing the formula, use the fill handle to copy the formula down, stopping in cell J28. So in this step, we enter a formula to calculate. We enter a formula in cell G9 to calculate payment period, number of payment period. So we go on our Excel worksheet, and in cell J9, number of payment per period. So we put the formula I9 multiply by 12. So press enter, and it is also saying that use the fill handle to copy the formula down, stopping in cell J28. So we copy the formula and on the J28. So here is the values that required for these steps. So I have completed the 7th step of this assignment. This assignment consists of 12 steps. If you want to do this assignment for you or complete course for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. And thanks for watching my videos.